This tutorial is about CSS outline. An outline is a line that is drawn around elements outside the borders to make the element stand out. And it has properties like outline style, outline color, outline width, outline offset, and outline, that is the shorthand property. Now outline differs from borders. Unlike border, the outline is drawn outside the element's border and may overlap other content. Also, the outline is not a part of the element's dimensions. The element's total width and height is not affected by the width of the outline. So over here I have created two files. First one is the HTML file and this is the CSS file, and in this file I have used all the outline properties that we are going to study in this tutorial. And this is the content that will appear on the browser. And in the head section I have linked the CSS file. So the first property that we are going to study is the CSS outline style property. So the outline style property can have the following values, that is dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset. And in the HTML file I have created paragraphs with the class names as the names of the outline style property, the values of the outline style property. And this is how it looks on the browser. This one is the dotted outline, then dashed outline, solid outline, double outline, then the groove outline, ridge outline, inset outline, and last one is the outset outline. Then the next property is outline width property. So simply write outline width and then the value of the property. So the outline width property specifies the width of the outline and can have one of the following values, that is thin, medium or thick, or a specific size in pixels, centimeter, percent, etc. So over here I have used the value thin. And this is how it looks on the browser, a thin outline over here. I can also use pixels. So instead of thin I will write 10 pixels. And then this is how it will look on the browser. The next property is outline color property. Again, simply you have to write outline color and then give a particular value to it. So you can either use color names or HSL, RGB and HSLA values or hexadecimal values. So over here I have used color yellow, and that is why it has an outline of color yellow. Then the next property is the shorthand property, which I have used for this class. The outline property is a shorthand property for setting the following individual outline properties like outline width, outline style and outline color. The outline property is specified as 1, 2 or 3 values from the list above, from the list like outline, width, style and color. The order of the values does not matter. So over here, for the outline shorthand property, I have written 3 values. So the first value is for outline width, the second value is for outline style, and the last value is for outline color. And this is how it looks on the browser. A 5-pixel solid yellow outline. So instead of writing 3 different lines of code for outline width and color and type, outline style, you can write it in one line using the shorthand property. And the last property that we are going to study is the offset property, which I have used for the offset class that I have created in the HTML file. Now the outline offset property adds space between an outline and the edge or border of an element. The space between an element and its outline is transparent. So basically, this paragraph displays outline offset. So it is the space between the border of the element, which is in color black, and the outline of the element, which is in color red. So the space between them is the offset outline. So I hope you have understood all the outline properties. Thank you.